fix Adobe Illustrator. The file could not be read due to an error. Are you frustrated because your AI files won't open, leaving you unable to work on important projects? This usually happens because the file is corrupted, saved in an incompatible version, or Illustrator preferences are damaged. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to reinstall Illustrator, edit hidden system files, or use complex recovery tools, which can be risky and time-consuming. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes this problem safely and quickly in just a few simple steps. First, we'll repair the corrupted file using Illustrator's built-in recovery options, then reset preferences to remove any conflicts that prevent opening files, and finally save the file in a compatible format, so it opens correctly. This method works on almost all versions of Adobe Illustrator, keeps your project safe, and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix the file could not be read due to an error, leave a comment below, and I'll guide you through it on Rexist. Try this trick today and get your Illustrator files opening smoothly without errors.